In this video, we will show you how to hide and show design parts while editing your designs. This tool is meant to temporarily hide objects from the screen to facilitate the process of editing multi-layered designs. For example, suppose you are importing an image like that, auto-digitize, trace to outlines. The tracer automatically creates the design parts of the imported image, but this may lead to a big number of shapes. We can easily remove any unneeded parts. The color of the face was kind of gradient, but in embroidery gradients may be tricky. So we weld face parts together. The welded part, though, may go on top of other parts, like the eyes in this case. We need to select these parts and bring them forward. One way is to move the face part away and work with the parts underneath. But instead of moving, it's more convenient to just hide that part. To do so, select the face part, right-click, and use the option Hide. Now, the part is only temporarily hidden, and you can see whatever is underneath. Select the eye parts and reorder them so that they can get on top of the face part. If you need to bring back the hidden object, just go to Sequence bar and click on the sequence icon. The tool practically helps the user focus on and handle underlying shapes and layers, but instead of moving upper layers out of the way, they just get temporarily out of sight. If you disable the auto sequence, you can also hide parts by right-clicking onto their icon on the Sequence Manager. Let's hide the backdrop image to see more clearly. When you click on any hidden item, it becomes visible. And if you right-click, you can use the Hide and Show option and hide a part or show it if it is already hidden. Finally, keep in mind that you may also hide or show items by using the right-click menu. Once some parts are hidden, right-click at any point and use Show All Hidden to make them all visible.